My name is Victor Migliore. I currently work for ComEd as their chief UAS pilot. I currently live in Chicago, but I was born in Brazil. I've been working in aviation for the past decade, and Purdue interested me because of its rich aviation background. I'm receiving a degree in Aviation and Airway Management. I'm also receiving a graduate certificate in Aviation Economics. I've dealt with unmanned aircraft for 10 years now. It helps with my classes that I've had to learn a little bit more about other aspects of aviation and maybe how I could apply those to my day-to-day operations. I chose the online master's program because it was not only flexible, but I could also take it from anywhere in the world. At the time that I was interested in joining the program, I was actually working overseas as a government contractor. Purdue offered that flexibility, and then because of that, I was able to use that to my advantage when looking for another job as well. I put that I was pursuing my master's degree, and I think that actually helped kind of get to my position that I am at now. Where I'm at with working with unmanned aviation, it's only going to grow from here. A lot of people might be a little bit hesitant right now because it's a nascent technology or a startup technology, so not a lot of companies and businesses are using it now, but it's growing every year. And so I know that in the future, I might work as an operations manager or as a supervisor, as a vice president for a company that's really focused in utilizing unmanned aircraft for drone deliveries, or whether that be for inspections, or whether that be for providing emergency services. It's a very open and wide career opportunity, and I see my master's degree that I'm getting today as a stepping stone to the things that I could accomplish in the future. I would recommend Purdue University online graduate degree. Not only is it flexible, so it allowed for me to focus on my core studies while also being able to work full-time. Also, the professors that I had and the people that I collaborated with not only had academic backgrounds, but they also had professional backgrounds as well, which is a little bit more relevant to what I'm pursuing right now. But also being able to go to Purdue, and this is one of the biggest and best universities with an aviation program, and also it is one of the best universities in the country. I'm Victor, and I took my giant leap online with Purdue University. Boiler up!